Today we're going to install the exhaust system on the 33 hot rod. We're hoping it's going to be a pretty easy job because we're working with this system where one pipe's got a ball on it, the other pipe's got like a socket on it. You bolt these two together and then you can position them where you want them, tighten them up, and you're good to go. If you got to go back later and tweak them a little bit, you just loosen the bolts, move it a little bit, and tighten them up, and everything will be positioned exactly the way you want it. So it's a really neat system. We're really looking forward to working with it. Should go pretty quick. And here we go. Let's get started. Well, the exhaust system is all installed on the 33 hot rod. It was really a pretty easy job, and actually Joan did most of the work. I just handed her the nuts and the bolts, and she did all the attaching. She aligned everything up. She got everything tightened. She did a really good job. The only thing that was a problem was we did have to install part of the floor system because some of the hanger bolts actually went through the floor, and so we had to put the bottom part of the floor in. That was no problem. It was really easy. We'll do the rest of the floor next week. So keep coming back and checking us out here on 33 Hot Rod. Until next time, cheers.